This is the water pump on a mercruiser 8.2 high output. So I changed all of that. With the tight space installing it, I broke the vacuum line to release the water pressure. Basically, the way this thing works, it compresses air, and this thing will lift off and will release the water through the tubing and go straight down. So I'm not in the mood to spend $500 because of this broke, but I did. Bought me some copper line, like brake line, and I machined it, did a machining thread. So and I put some gasket maker glue on the threads on both ends, and put 2 nuts, sharpen it. That was good. Okay, this is really one-time use. It's gonna compress a lot of air for it to lift. So I decided to clean it, and it looks like it had a lot of water settling in here and had corrosion. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some Rhinzo Seal, Rhinzo Blast, so basically component. Just gonna lubricate this, that way it don't corrode. This thing, it help a lot for not corroding. I'm not gonna put on the O-ring because this thing technically will seal. So just on this guy. All right, so the way it work, this thing go down first. This one go over it. This is the cap, we got the O-ring. And of course the C-clip. It's that simple. So I'm gonna clean all the gaskets and lubricate them with some silicone oil and put it back together.